spike in COVID cases in Chennai. Chennai has made masks mandatory once again in public places. Remember, for the past 2 weeks, COVID cases are on a rise in Chennai. And as per the Chennai civic body, public spaces such as theatres, shopping malls, dress shops have to make sure that customers are not forming crowds inside their premises. Well, those are the details. In fact, for the last 3 days, Chennai has been seeing 1,000+ cases, new cases every day, and there has been a significant spike in COVID cases. Now, masks being made mandatory once again as far as Chennai is concerned. And of course, especially in public areas as well, those masks must be worn is what the decision is amid the spike in COVID cases. Dharni joining us for more details here. Dharni, give us an update on the kind of numbers that Chennai has been seeing as well as the rest of Tamil Nadu.
Well, the last 5 days itself, we are going to look, on June 29, Chennai reported 771, daily COVID positive cases. But yesterday, the number was 1,072. So in the last, 4-5 days itself, Chennai has seen, almost 500, 500 plus COVID positive cases. So before 2 weeks, the number was, well around 200. But right now, we're looking at numbers that are above 1,000. So the situation is definitely, it seems worrisome and cautious. So in this backdrop, the Chennai Corporation has told that everybody who are, going to public places, they should be wearing a mask. And, in fact, all the shopping malls, dress shops and theaters, they have to keep a check about COVID protocols. They have to check if, all the public who are coming to their premises, they're wearing masks or not, and if they're, following social distancing or not. In fact, all these places, they've been advised to not make people crowd. They're told that the public should not form a crowd inside all these premises. So if any violation is found, the corporation has told that they'll be fining that particular shopping mall or complex or theater for violation of COVID protocols. In fact, the corporation has also advised all the public to wear a mask, like when they go out to all these entertainment spots and public places. In fact, most of these COVID cases, they're emerging out of public places, and especially most of these cases, they are family clusters. So one person gets affected in the family, like it gets spreads to another people in the family also, other people in the family also. They are telling that residential clusters have become a common thing here in Chennai. So the health department, they've also been advising people that to isolate themselves, like they're finding even mild symptoms. So the situation definitely needs a watch. The Chennai Corporation today morning has told that they will be tightening the tightening the protocols to all the public places, because right now in Chennai, like the protocols are being followed, but they're not being properly monitored. So they told they've been they will monitor it properly hereafter.
All right, Dharni, thank you so much for getting us all of those details.